Alright, here we have the Orion Hcca12500.1Dsplx. Alright, so when I put my cap bank in, I took the lithiums out and put my cap bank in, and I have my oscilloscope mounted in the normal fashion that I always had it. Yeah, I've moved my RCA cables. I did a few things, sort of like troubleshooting in a car. You move one thing, then test, and do something else, and then test. So. 12.5K, that's 16 volts. And you can see we dropped down to 15.6. So let's go ahead and charge it back up. And then we'll go one click into clipping. $16,687 watts. And there's your numbers. We was at 1 ohm on the burp, 130.1 volts, 131.3 amps of current. That is 1.0 ohm, 16,687 watts.